What's the deal, y'all? This your boy Motor City Neek, and I'm checking back with another video, man. And your boy is working on the Caprice this time. The imp over here chilling. That mug back doing good, rolling good. Can't complain about that one, but shoot. Doing another video, man. I'm about to do a small pump delete. I ain't show y'all, but I went on ahead and cut that mug. So I'm getting ready to small pump right here. I got a socket on here. And I'm about to cap this mug off and delete it. So I'm about to go ahead and get this mug out the way and cut that out. I'm gonna plug them first, and then after I plug them, I'm gonna go ahead and cut the rest out and take the pump and all that shit apart. So I'll show y'all the details on that as I get going. All right, y'all, for y'all DIYers, just to let you know, shit, y'all see I got the saw right here. And just cut that mug off. This was originally attached to it like this. So I cut it with the sawzall. This your air pump. I'm about to hit them bolts, take all that stuff apart and start removing it. This right here is either a 21 millimeter or 22. I don't know, what's one of them. 19, maybe smaller, I don't know, but I'm using a 22 right there, so that's what I popped this one off with. But as you can see right there, these are the plugs. So if you want to know the exact fitment for it, that's it right there. And I'm about to cap it off into there. So got a little washer on there, so I'm gonna put that little, I don't know if this little, is this a metal? I don't know if this is metal or rubber. I don't know, but let me see. Oh, it's metal, okay. I was making sure this mug was metal though. I don't want to put no rubber on there because that shit gonna heat up and melt. But there we go. Let's see your boy capping it off. Put a socket on there. Tighten it up. That look like, but this one look like it's bigger, so I don't know. I'm gonna check. It might be a 24. If that's a 24, I'm gonna check. But I'm gonna check back with y'all in a second to let y'all know. All right, y'all. Your boy back, man. I recommend when you do this too. Just so you have safety clearance, man, just go ahead and take your alternator out. Just go ahead and snatch that mug out, man. Don't even play no games. Don't even try to use no angle grinder and be cutting and that alternator in the way, man, because you're just gonna cut a whole bunch of stuff that you just don't need to, or mess up something. So my suggestion, go ahead and snatch your alternator out. That way you got some clearance, man. You got some room and some space to, you know what I'm saying, make your cuts and things. So go ahead and do that. Make sure y'all take care of that, man. And I'm gonna check back in with you when I cut that side. All right, y'all, as you can see, boy got it cut. See, it's off. I'm gonna let it cool off a little bit because I don't need this to touch anything because I know that shit's super hot. I don't want it to rub or touch anything. I don't want it to put no hole in no hoses or none of that shit. So, as you can see, with me shaking it, the whole system is right there. So, I'm about to pull everything out. I might chop it down some too, make it easier for me to remove and go under the bottom. But I'm about to go ahead and pop that off so I can go ahead and get that other cap on there. All right, y'all. your boy got a plug. See, plugged right there, plugged off. You see that? Plugged off. So now I'm taking the air pump apart right there. I'm about to clean some of that stuff off. I'm about to take that bracket off, you see right there. Once I get that bracket off, I'm gonna jack the car up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and start. I'm gonna cut it at the bottom. That way I can just pull it out and take all that stuff out, and I'll show you all the junk when I'm done. But not too hard of a job, pretty easy. Torque wrench, you know what I'm saying? Torque it in there and shit, it should be good. Help clean up some of my engine bay, get some of this stuff out the way. All right, Motor City crew. Just in case y'all wanna know, man, this will help make your job easier. You see that right there? Just cut that small pump from up under here. So you can take that mug out piece by piece. So, I got a little cleaning up to do down here. I mean, all Chevys got a little oil leak, so I don't know. This is just some built up cake shit over the years. But I'm gonna clean all this stuff up. Don't worry about that. But showing y'all that. Just cut that mug, let it cool off a little bit, and snatch the rest of that pump stuff out. Y'all see, here goes some of the stuff right here. I'll show you the rest. All right, y'all. Yeah, I see I got it completely taken out. All of it's gone. No small pump. I cleaned up, cleaned up some of that old residue and stuff. Like I said, man, that stuff was over the years. It wasn't nothing recent. It's just been built up and sitting like that. So I wiped some of it down and, you know what I'm saying, smoothed some of it out, cleaned it up and stuff. But y'all see that? Ooh. But there you go. That's all of it. Whole small pump delete. Everything completely gone, capped off. Clean up my engine bay, give me a little more room, more space. Everything is in there, so I'm about to put everything back and see how it runs, you know what I'm saying? I know it's gonna run better, but time to put everything back together, put my alternator back on, all that, cold air intake, all that. I'll show you when I get done. All right, y'all, Motor City crew, man, your boy done, and I got everything buttoned back down, back running. I see it. This bitch back running. I mean, it wasn't never not running, but I got it back together. Shit, there's the little small pump delete. Got that mug off right here. Shit. Boy, good to go, man. Everything looking good. Sound good. Yeah. Got that boy capped off right there. Yeah, so overall, man, pretty easy task. Ain't too hard. It's a lot easier if you have a grinder too, man, and you're able to cut all that out. So that's my old small pump, air pump. That shit gone. I'm gonna throw all that shit in the garbage can. Don't need it. Unless somebody else might need it, I don't know. I'll ask them, but shit, it's trash to me. But it's all in there. All right, Motor City crew, man, your boy done. I done finished up. Shit, I'm done. Got that all together in the Caprice, man. So sitting here in the Caprice, chilling, the car just running. I'm just letting it idle, just to see how it functions. I mean, I know it's not gonna be no issue regardless, cause I don't even have a smog pump on the Impala, so all that stuff done. But once again, man, this your first time checking your boy out. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe, man. Join that Motor City crew, man. Hit that notification bell so you stay up to date with all the posts and everything that I got going on with my Impala and my Caprice, man. So once again, it's your boy Motor City Neek, man. I'll holler at y'all till the next time. Peace.